SHREK. SHREK is an animated film character. He has got 4 films and they are all very popular. The SHREK films are really funny and full of interesting characters. These are just a few of the best. SHREK is the main character. He is big and fat with green skin. His eyes, his head and his hands are big. But SHREK is not a monster. He is very friendly and caring. This is Princess Fiona. In the beginning, she's very beautiful. Now she is short and plump. She has got long red hair and she's got a crown on the top of her head. This is Donkey. He has got 4 legs, a tail and 2 big ears. But that's not all. Donkey can talk.
You definitely need some Tic Tacs or something because your breath stinks!
SHREK and Donkey are good friends. This is Puss in Boots. He is a small cat, but he is very strong. He has got a sword and he can fight very well. This is Prince Charming. He is young, tall and thin with short hair. He is the son of the fairy godmother. But Prince Charming isn't very friendly. He is bad to SHREK and Princess Fiona. This is Rapunzel. She is tall and thin. She has got very long fair hair. Her eyes are green and her skin is fair. Rapunzel can sing very well. Finally, this is Merlin. He is old and very thin. He has got short white hair, a moustache and a long white beard. Merlin is a wizard. He has got a big blue hat and he can do magic tricks. Are you a fan of SHREK? Which character is your favourite?